from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to mute the startup sounds on your Xbox One or any kind of beeps or chimes. And this is very easy to do, so just on the home screen here, let's go up to top and go to Settings. And then go to General, and go to the right and go to Volume and Audio Output right here. Then go to the right and go to Additional Options. Then we can go to Power and Startup right here. And we have Power Chime, and we can turn this off, or we can go to Only with Power Button or Voice, or we can turn it on. Then we have Mute Startup Sounds right here. Just go ahead and select this and you won't hear any kind of audio when you start up your Xbox One. Then you have additional sound settings over here for mute navigation sound. So if you select this, you won't hear any kind of beeps when you move around the screen. And we have mute notification sounds right here. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.